Hi, Peace. Do you step up? You never do, but you're only doing it now, I think, because you're in a strange place. Isn't that right? You're wondering where you are? Not that you've never been here. Yeah, but usually I just have to pick you up like this, huh? And that's never a problem. You're so silly. You don't like being handled, but you deal with it. Don't you? Isn't that right? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Pretty girl. Yes, you are. Pretty girl. With your one funky toe. Yes, poor baby. Hello. At least you don't have splayed leg. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Hey, Peace. And your bald spot is barely even a bald spot, huh? You're just a beautiful, beautiful bird. I know I tell everyone that. Well, all my birds. I don't tell people on the street that. But you really are. You're a beautiful, beautiful bird. Don't tell me no. Don't tell me no. Don't tell me no. You're silly. Hey, Peace. Yeah. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Hi, Coocoo. You step up, don't you? Oh, yeah. You like, now rub my head. You want me to rub your head, huh? It's kind of hard to do it with the same hand that you're sitting on. But yes, you're very tame. You're still waiting for that head rub. You're silly. Here, have a seat. There you go. You're super tame, huh? Want me to rub your head, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you like that? Cause you're my little tamey girl? Yeah. It's a pretty bird. Pretty bird, you kisses. Silly. Battery's dying. One more bird left. Say bye-bye. Hi, Shadow. Since you're the craziest that we're gonna capture tonight on... It's not really film. I don't know what to call it. But anyway, since you're the craziest and so crazy, we're gonna do the movie before we do the pictures. I'm not even going to try to put my finger at you. You don't bite or anything. You just don't like to get on fingers or be held. Huh. You think you bite, but all you do is you just nibble. You and your funky crest. You look like you've been in a windstorm.